My name is Patrick Ollerton. I'm the Product Manager for PTC Modeler, and I'm here to talk about PTC's MBSE solution, PTC Modeler, and the SysML 2.0 capabilities that we provide. Here's a summary of the product. First of all, we support multi-discipline collaboration on a live, scalable, multi-user database. We have integrations with PTC products and also third-party products. We support standards-based modeling primarily from the OMG, SysML 1 and 2, UML, UPDM, and UAF as well. We have system-level simulation capabilities and modeling for software engineering and IoT systems of systems modeling. We also provide capabilities for product line engineering for variability modeling. Here we can see the PTC Modeler 10.1 user interface, showing an example SysML 2 model. On the left-hand side, we have a package browser that shows the model elements in the hierarchy, the ownership and the containment of the model. We also have a part browser that shows inherited features. In the main window, we can see the diagram canvas, toolbars across the top for creation and modification of elements. And at the bottom, we have output windows and a properties pane. The SysML 2 capabilities that we provide today start off with capturing and managing system requirements to represent stakeholder needs. We can define the model structure, namespaces with package modeling, and we can apply permissions to those packages as well. Comments, documentation, and textual representations. Define the logical structure and relationships of the system using structure modeling, and we can see some examples in the diagrams. This means specifying the system parts, the ports, attributes and interfaces, and decomposing into subsystems and components. We can capture the core SysML 2 relationships, such as feature typing that we can see listed here, and the flows to capture transfer of model elements between parts of the system. We can specify the required behavior of the system with the use case modeling, and we can capture the functional behavior of a system design with action modeling, as well as describing the life cycle of the system with state modeling. Some of the features that we provide to support SysML 2 modeling, we have integrated system and software engineering. So we can use UML and SysML 1 alongside SysML 2 in the same model to help provide more flexible modeling. We have textual notation support with an importer and exporter and mixed mode modeling. As mentioned, we have OSLC integrations with CodeBeamer, Windchill PLM, IBM Doors and Siemens Pollerton. We provide a way to work with SysML 2 model libraries to make it easy to reference all of those useful definitions. And we provide model templates and example models to help our customers get started using SysML 2. Here are some of the core features that PTC Modeler provides that are inbuilt and available for use with SysML 2 modeling. We have model configuration management, versioning and branching. We have reviewer, a web UI, our OSLC integrations, existing APIs that also work with SysML 2, and then various diagramming aids to help with usability. Roadmap for PTC Modeler. Our next release is PTC Modeler 10.2, planned for July of this year, and we'll deliver state modeling with transitions, system verification with analysis cases and verification cases, and then textual format support. This is the importer and the mixed mode modeling. At the end of the year, we'll deliver Modeler 10.3, providing analysis and simulation capabilities, textual format exporter, automated reviews, and a Windchill PLM exporter. We're transitioning between SysML 1 and SysML 2. Having the ability to use SysML 1 and 2 in the same model allows our customers to incrementally migrate at their own pace over time. So potentially subsystems could be transform, transition to SysML 2 incrementally over time. We provide training and adoption guidance, and more will be coming in the future. We provide process guidance to support companies adopting SysML 2 with PTC Modeler, outlining roles, responsibilities, and best practices. Model transformation features and capabilities will be available to transform models from V1 to V2 will be available into the future. PTC Modeler is part of a wider ecosystem in PTC's digital engineering thread. So we have tight integrations with all of the tools listed, CodeBeamer, Windchill PLM, and third-party products that we see listed as well. Thank you for your time. If you'd like any more information, reach out to myself or to Headley Appley, or you can scan the QR code or hit our website that's listed there. We also have a YouTube channel with lots of demos of our products.